Hi guys, welcome to Avery's Kitchen. So today I'll be sharing with you one of my all-time favorite childhood recipes for Mopane worms. Where I come from, we call them Amacimbi in Isindebele, and they are also known as Madora in Shona. I hope you enjoy. So to start with, I'll be pouring the Mopane worms into a bowl. They come dehydrated, as you can see, so they have quite a crunchy texture. So what we want to do is go ahead and rehydrate them and clean them. So now I'm going to wash them out and rinse them a few times. As you can see, there's a lot of debris and sand, so we want to make sure we get rid of that before we start cooking. At this point, I've soaked them in water for about an hour, so I'm going to go ahead and pop them into a pan and start the cooking process. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some boiling water. Add some salt, and then I'll leave these to boil for about 15-20 minutes. Now they've cooked, I'm going to go ahead and drain them. And it's time to start the frying process. So I'm just putting in some olive oil, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the worms back into the pan. I'm going to go ahead and fry these for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now I'm just going in with some extra olive oil to prepare the pan for the rest of my ingredients. Here I have some onions, some green bird's eye chilies, a clove of garlic, and I'm going to go ahead and fry that for a few minutes. Now I'm adding some tomato puree. Now I'm adding some single cream. And a cube of Maggi. I'm going to cook that for about 2 to 3 minutes and then go ahead and add some extra cream and allow it to simmer for 5 more minutes. Right, now the Mopane worms are done. You can go ahead and serve them. You can eat them as a snack, you can eat them as part of a meal, whichever suits you best. But either way, they are tasty and delicious.